Well, we're back again, and now we're talking about what you're going to need to take with you on a trip to the Philippines. Well, crystal clear, blue waters, lots of marine life. It's probably going to come as no shock that number one on the list is your own snorkel. If you don't do that, you're going to have to rent one, which means picking it up and taking it back every day, paying a lot more than you would for just buying a snorkel. And of course, a proper bonus, you don't even have to put it in your bag. You can just clip it on the side of it. There isn't an airline in the world that's going to be like, nah, sorry, you can't fly. You've got a snorkel on the side of your bag. I mean, I'm probably Ryanair, but you're not going to be using them in Southeast Asia, so just forget about it. Lots of interesting food to have in the Philippines. It is an incredibly interesting destination, culinary wise. And to make it a lot more streamlined for yourself, the second thing you're going to want to bring with you is small denominations of cash. Don't worry, it's easy to change up. Just go to a 7-Eleven or a supermarket and buy something you probably need anyway, like bottled water, and then you'll get yourself some change. The reason for this is also restaurants in rural areas, they're not going to take card, and also they have quite a hard time breaking up larger notes. And it's not that they can't do it, they'll have to go next door or wherever, and it'll take like a bit of waiting. It is just going to be easier for everyone if you bring the correct change, or at least small change, with you. Last one's going to come as a massive shock. I'm sure it's sun cream and insect repellent. Now, before you go thinking you know it all, maybe you don't, because there's Reef sunscreen and there's also natural insect repellent. And the reason for that is you're going to have to put it on throughout the day to stop yourself getting bitten to death or burned to bloody death. And you're going to want to go swimming to cool off a lot, and you don't want to be putting nasty chemicals into the marine ecosystem. No, don't. Look at these guys, don't be damaging their ecosystem, and get yourself the very important natural insect repellent and reef safe sunscreen. Well, that's it for our travel essentials for the Philippines. I hope it's been useful. If there's anything you feel I've missed, please just put it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.